Everybody always starts these room reviews with going to their front door and then going to the bathroom and then looking at the bed, and then last thing they do is look at the view. I'm going to do it different. I'm going to look at the view of the room first. Looks like a pretty cool view of the Venetian, and I see wind back there and the high roller. Not a bad view. By the way, this is Bally's, and this is the $10 room review. I don't know why there's two queen beds, but apparently 2 queen beds is cheaper. Not everywhere else that I've looked in Vegas. Everywhere else is more expensive for 2 queen beds. But pretty basic room. Got the bathroom.